Dear students, in this video now we are going to discuss word problems based on decimals. Word problems based on decimals. So first of all, read first example of your textbook, example number 9. That is 45 kilogram of rice cost rupees 900. If this rice was divided among 24 people, how much rice does each person get and what was the cost of rice for each person? Okay, that means we have to find two things here. How much rice does each person get? There are 24 people and total rice available is 45 kilogram. So what I solved there, total quantity of rice is equals to 45 kilogram, number of people that is 24. That means how much each person will get. How to find out? Just suppose, just you have to think one other example, that if we have 100 kilogram of rice and there are 10 peoples, then how much rice each people will get? That is 100 divided by 10, that will be 10 kilogram. So similarly here also, total quantity of rice available is 45 kilogram, number of people are 24, then quantity of rice for each person, one person will get 45 upon 24 is equals to 1.875 kilogram. Understood? Similarly, now we need to divide these rupees into each person. In your textbook it is solved in other manner, I have solved in other method. Okay, you can write any of the method whatever you understood. What is my method is that the total number of rupees is rupees 900 and total number of peoples are 24. So the cost for each person will be total divided by total persons, total rupees divided by total number of persons, that will be 900 divided by 24 and you will get rupees 37.50. So the cost for each person will be 37.50 and the rice that each person will get will be 1.875 kilogram. Okay, so this example also you have to write in your notebook. Then the other examples you don't need to write. Now just look upon exercise 3.5. What is exercise 3.5 says? The first question, Ruhi covers 3 kilometers in 45 minutes. How much distance in meters does she cover in 94.8 minutes? In your last class you done a chapter, done a topic related to unitary method. In that unitary method, what you learned, that if we need to find the value of more from more, then first of all we need to find the value of 1 and then we will find the value of more. Like Ruhi covers 3 kilometers in 45 minutes. So distance covered by Ruhi in 45 minutes equals to 3 kilometers. In 45 minutes it is 3 kilometers. Here you can see the minutes are given 2 times. So the minutes I will write at first. You can recall the unitary method that you have done in last class. So that method we need to apply here. So distance covered by Ruhi in 45 minutes equals to 3 kilometers. Then distance covered by Ruhi in 1 minute. Okay, here you have to write full statement again. Distance covered by Ruhi in 1 minute. Now 45 is given, we need to find the value of 1. Whenever we need to find the value of 1, if the value of more is given, then always we will divide. So this 45 will go directly into the divide. Okay, then distance covered by Ruhi in 94.8 minutes equals to 3 upon 45 multiplied by 94.8, that is 6.32 kilometers. Okay, 6.32 kilometer. After solution you will get 6.32 kilometer. But our question is that we need to find the distance in meters. So we will convert this kilometer into meters. Understood? So now the next question is question number 2 of your exercise. A bottle contains 500 ml of water and the water half fills the bottle. How many liters of water does bottle contain? In a bottle there is 500 ml of water but after filling 500 ml, the bottle is only half filled. That means the total capacity of bottle will be 500 multiplied 2, that will be 1000 ml. Because when we put 500 ml in that bottle, the bottle is only half filled. Then total capacity will be 1000 ml. Then capacity we need to convert in liter. That is given in question, that how many liters of water. So liters, we need to convert that into liter. So 1000 ml converted into liter, that will be 1000 divided by 1000 will be 1 liter. Okay, and the next question also I solved, that is fourth question. A shopkeeper bought a TV set for rupees 34,500 and then sold it for the profit of 4,365.87. We need to find the selling price of 34 such TV sets. So first of all, I will find the selling price of one TV set. The cost price is given 34,500. The profit is given. Whenever cost price and profit is given, that means selling price will be more. Because if selling price is more, then only we get profit. Otherwise, we can't get profit. Okay. So if profit is given, that means selling price will be more. So selling price will be more. So we will add. So selling price of TV set will be cost price plus profit. So we added. So this is the selling price of one TV set. Then we need to find the selling price of 34 TV sets. So we will multiply this value by 34. You have to multiply here and write the answer yourself. Okay. Then no need to solve question number 3, 6 and 7 in your notebook. Solve only question number 5 and 8. As I explained, try to solve question number 5 and 8 yourself. In question number 5, there are 4 friends, Raj, Riya, Zaya and Prem. They went for dinner. The total bill was 3,456.90. Raj, Riya and Zaya paid 450.89, 239.89, 450.00 respectively. So what is the amount Prem supposed to pay? So what we will do, we will add the amount paid by Raj, Riya and Zaya. We will add all these three together. Then we need to subtract it from the total amount. And in the 8th question, you need to do multiply. So try to solve question number 5 and 8 yourself. Question number 3, 6 and 7 you no need to do. If you got any doubt, you can ask me again. Thank you.